Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I have a OnePlus 10 Pro phone. As you can see, there is so many lines. It's bloody bad lines. Green and white and blue lines, yellow lines. So today I wanna fix this problem. So for this one, I guess we have to change the display. There is no other way. Display is working as well, this also, but so we have to disassemble this one first of all. From back class we can disassemble the display. So after remove the back glass, we have to unbolt all screw. After unbolt all screw, we have to remove this plastic shield. This is actually safety shield and also wireless charger. I'm gonna use separator machine. So the display whatever I have, that is without frame. So for remove display, I have to remove the main board cameras also, because I have to use heat. I have to use separator machine, so for safety. So now I'm gonna put this phone on the separator machine. Just by heat the board, I have to remove display as well. Now I'm gonna remove display as well. Actually, I hate it. So this way we can remove display and cut connector also. So sad. So after remove the display, we have to clean this gum. This is actually double tape. तो अभी हम इसका न्यू डिस्प्ले लगा कर टेस्ट करेंगे। इसको कनेक्टर को अच्छी तरह प्रेस करके कनेक्टर कनेक्ट करते हैं बोर्ड के साथ। इसके बाद हम इसको फ़ोन को ऑन करते हैं। So need to check before install the display. We should check. So phone is on. So now I'm gonna check. It is working as well. So I can type on keyboard on dial pad. So it is working as well, as you can see. So now I can install the display as well. So guys, हमारा मोबाइल जो कि OnePlus रेडी हो गया बिल्कुल। कोई अब इसमें लाइन नहीं है डिस्प्ले में, बिल्कुल ओके वर्किंग भी है। मैंने इसका डिस्प्ले जो कि चेंज कर दिया और इसके साथ इसका फिंगरप्रिंट भी काम करेगा।